Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Framework primary annotation. Explain primary annotation. What is that? When we are using components content, all the beans are loaded by Spring content with no specific order. If we want to load any bean on first priority, then we need to annotate that bean with primary. The bean annotated with primary will be loaded first, then the other beans will be loaded. If we are not using component scan, then primary annotation is not going to work at all. I have written a very simple program for demo purpose. iMessage is the interface and hello world message is the implementation, and other implementation is Spring message. So I have one interface and two implementations. Okay, but out of these two implementations, I have marked one implementation as primary. That means more preference will be given to this hello world message by the Spring framework, whereas here I have marked it as lazy. That means on demand this object will be injected. I want to repeat: one interface, two implementation. Out of two implementation, one implementation I have given the primary annotation. That means more preference will be given to one implementation. And in the display bean, there is another bean. I am auto wiring this iMessage. I am not using any qualifier. I am not telling Spring framework which implementation should be injected here. Based on this primary annotation, this hello world message bean will be injected here. Let me run this program so that you can understand. I'll debug and show you which bean exactly injected in the message object. So now the context, application context, annotation config application context will be loaded, and I'll be showing the auto wiring for the message. So if you see here, the message has been loaded with hello world. Why not Spring message? Because hello world message I have marked it as primary and more preference to given to hello world message, whereas here I have marked it as lazy. So that's the difference. So that's how hello world message has been injected here. Okay, now it has been called this method and we call this input. So this is the purpose of primary, giving more preference to one of the bean in your application. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.